How to enable double click to install apps from the App Store on iPhone. So if you want to enable double click to install apps from the App Store on your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, when you go to the App Store and you want to install something here, you need to click on the install button, which will be on the right side, right? Like for example, I'll just simply go with the application which is right here, Canva. I'll just simply go with it. Click on get or click on install. Then you'll have this confirmation. It says confirm with side button. Or it may also ask you to sign in to your Apple account or enter your Apple account's password. But if you don't remember your Apple account's password and if you want to just double click on your side button in order to install, then what you need to do is just go back and then open up your settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of privacy and security. Tap on it. From there, you need to scroll down again and then go with content and privacy restrictions. You can just simply go back and then you can go with your screen time section. Under screen time, you need to scroll down and then go with content and privacy restrictions. Now here you need to go with iTunes and App Store purchases. And here you will have an option of require password. So here you just need to simply go and select don't require. After that, you can go back and then go with your Face ID on your settings. Go with Face ID and passcode. Enter your Face ID. And here you need to enable the option of iTunes and App Store. Go and enable this feature. And then you will need to enter your one-time password from your Apple account. Once you enter your Apple account password, you need to tap on OK. Now, if you go back to your app stores and install any kind of application, then you will not be asked to enter your Apple ID password every time. You just need simply press your power button, click your power button twice, and then you will be able to install. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.